Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave apps invoicing software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add a customer into your Wave apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add a customer into your Wave apps? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, sometimes you meet people organically and you need to invoice them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one customer into your Wave apps, here on the left, you want to click on sales and payments. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down and you want to click on customers. Once you click there, you're going to see all of your customers or clients in Wave apps. And in order to manually add one more customer, here on the top right, click on add a customer. Okay, so here is where you can manually add a customer into Wave app. So as you can see, you can go ahead and add a lot of different information about your customer. The only one that's really required is going to be your customer name right here. So let's go ahead and just put Atlanta Pools. Okay, and then next you want to go ahead and type in the name of the contact person. This is going to be optional, but of course, if you can fill out all this information, it's going to make your life a little bit easier to have all the information stored in one single place. Here you can go ahead and add in their email, and that way they can receive their invoices. You can add their phone number right here. So that way, if you need to get in touch with their customer, you're going to have the phone number right here in your customer list. If you have an account number, you can put their website, any private notes about that customer. So if you like to know a little bit more about your customers when you're dealing with them, you can reference back here to the personal notes. Here you can go ahead and change their currency. So if they work in US dollars, Canadian dollars, this is going to be their billing address if you ever need to mail them anything. And then you can also have their shipping address if it's going to be different than their mailing or billing address. So once you fill this out to the best of your knowledge and at the very minimum, your customer name right up here, go ahead and click on save here at the bottom. Okay, a quick second later, it refreshes into the customer profile right here. So now next time we go over to our customers list right here, you're going to see your new customer name that we manually entered in. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add a customer into your Wave apps invoicing software, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.